What's up, everyone? Man, there is so much talk, so much speculation surrounding Aster's future. But today, we're going to cut right through all that noise. We are diving deep into the official Aster 2026 roadmap, the strategy that is set to completely change what this platform can do. Forget the rumors you've seen on Twitter. What you're about to get right here is the definitive breakdown of their master plan. And this isn't just some minor update. It's a fundamental shift in their ambition, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly what to watch for. All right, enough talk. It is time to get into the details. To really get what Aster is building here, you have to understand the foundation for 2026. It's all built on three core strategic pillars. Think of this as the architectural blueprint for their entire future. First up, they're launching their very own Layer 1 blockchain. Second, they're rolling out staking and governance, giving the Aster tokens some serious utility. And third, a massive expansion into real-world assets. Now listen, any one of these is a game changer on its own, but all three together, man, that is a powerhouse strategy. So let's dig into Pillar 1, the launch of Aster Chain. And look, this is not just another blockchain, okay? It's a high-performance Layer 1 powered by zero-knowledge or ZK technology. You can basically think of it as a privacy shield for your trades. It's custom-built for one thing, perpetuals trading, with the mainnet planned for the first quarter of 2026. The goal here is just insane speed and, most importantly, confidentiality. Next up, coming in the second quarter of 2026, we've got staking and governance. This is absolutely critical for the token itself. You'll finally be able to stake your Aster to earn a share of the protocol revenue. We're talking that real yield engine. But even more than that, it finally gives token holders a real voice in the protocol's future. And Pillar 3 is the expansion into real-world assets. Okay, this is where things get really juicy. We're talking perpetuals on major US stocks. Think Tesla, Apple, tradable 24/7 with up to 50x leverage. This is a massive deal because it's how you build that bridge between the trillions of dollars in traditional finance and the innovative world of DeFi. So, those are the pillars. A new chain, new token utility, and new assets. But what's the secret sauce that holds it all together? Let's zoom in on the core innovation that really changes the game for any serious trader. It all circles back to the Aster Chain. Now, the key phrase here is that ZK-powered part. So ZK, or zero knowledge, tech allows for fully encrypted transactions. In simple terms, you can place a trade without broadcasting your intentions to the entire world, which, believe me, solves one of the biggest headaches in DeFi today. The crucial point is this. On most public blockchains, your trades are basically sitting in a public waiting room before they execute. This exposes you to front-running and MEV, where bots see your trade, jump the queue to profit from it, and you get left with a worse price. It is a massive barrier for any professional looking to bring real strategies on-chain. And this just illustrates the solution perfectly. On the left, you've got your standard public DEX, totally vulnerable. On the right, you've got Aster's shield mode on their new L1. Your orders are hidden, your strategies are protected, and those MEV bots are left completely in the dark. For pro traders, this isn't just a nice feature, it is an absolute non-negotiable requirement. Okay, the tech is impressive, the vision is clear, but what does all of this actually mean for you as an investor or a trader? Let's talk about the tangible impact. This is the ultimate question, isn't it? With a roadmap this ambitious, what's the real outlook for the project and its token? Well, let's start with a hard number. In the first half of 2025 alone, Aster processed over $58 billion in trading volume. I mean, to put that in perspective, that's more than the annual GDP of some entire countries. This isn't just speculation, it's massive, proven demand for the platform before any of these major upgrades have even launched. Then you have the tokenomics, the basic economics of the token. Over 53%, more than half, of the total Aster supply is allocated directly to the community through airdrops and rewards. This signals a very clear focus on user growth rather than just prioritizing early insiders. This community-first approach hasn't gone unnoticed either. On social media, the sentiment is strong. For example, the influential account Seer Peters, who's known for their deep dives into the BNB chain ecosystem, has even put out a price target of $4, citing the project's strong fundamentals and momentum. Of course, it's so important to remember that sentiment and price targets are just one part of the picture. This is not financial advice. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, and my goal here is simply to explain the plan so you have the information you need to make your own informed call. So let's bring it all home. What are the key dates and milestones you need to have circled on your calendar heading into 2026? Here's the timeline to watch. Late December 2025, the Aster Chain testnet goes live for public battle testing. Then, in the first quarter of 2026, the full mainnet launches. And hot on its heels in Q2 2026, the staking and governance features get switched on, bringing the full utility of the Aster token to life. And that's the roadmap decoded. Aster is making a bold play, evolving from just a DEX to a full-stack private trading network. But now I really want to hear from you. Which of these pillars, the custom Layer 1 tech, the token utility from staking, or the RWA expansion, do you think will have the biggest impact? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This is a project to watch, and now you know exactly what to look for.